the hidden Shangri-La, the Holy Land, the highest plateau of the world, Tibet, is located at the rain shadow of great Himalayan ranges. Mount Kailas, 6,714-meter peak, is considered to be the destination of great faith and respect for Hinduism, Buddhism, Jain and Bonpo religion followers. Holy Mansarovara Lake is situated on the lap of Mount Kailas. Mansarovara Lake is considered to be the lake of compassion, tranquility and bliss. It is believed that the bath in the holy water of Mansarovara will lead to the gateway of paradise and blessings of salvation. People even believe that only the drinking of holy water of Mansarovara demolishes the bad deeds conducted by a person in his whole lifetime. One should travel 52 kilometers just to complete one parikrama around the holy Mount Kailas. According to the religious belief of Hinduism and Buddhism, one parikrama around the holy Mount Kailas would end up the every bad deeds conducted in a whole life, while 108 parikramas will give the person a heavenly abode blessed with salvation. The trip from Kathmandu to Mount Kailas encompasses the magnificent views that really enchant the travelers. During the trip, the travelers get enjoyed and overwhelmed by the serene atmosphere and exotic view of Himalayan ranges. During the trip, the travelers can experience enticing locations of Western Tibet like Shaparang, Chapang and Tholing just before arriving to Mount Kailas. The trip to Mount Kailas is both exciting and entertaining, but tough and difficult as well. It takes 16 days to complete the trip from Kathmandu to holy Mount Kailas and Mansarovara. During the trip, some of the nights are spent in the hotel and some of the nights goes out in the camp. The trip to Mount Kailas commences early in the morning from Kathmandu through Kodari Highway by bus, and it takes near about 4 hours to reach the border station of Nepal and Tibet. After completing the Nepalese immigration procedures, travelers proceed their journey crossing Friendship Bridge within 15 minutes walk. Further trip then continues to Jangmu, where Chinese immigration and custom formalities are accomplished. After the accomplishment of all legal formalities, the trip proceeds to Nyalam, which is situated at an altitude of 3,700 meters. This journey takes near about 1 hour and 30 minutes by 4-wheel drive. The journey that covers 42 km distance ends up finally with the night stay at the guest house. The second day of trip also extends at Nyalam, resting at the hotel. Leaving Nyalam on the third day, the visitors proceed towards Saga, which takes about 8 hours to complete 240 kilometers distance. Sharing the salubrious climate, the visitors find themselves traveling at the height of about 4,550 meters. The third day journey ends up with the night stay at the Saga. Leaving Saga on 4th day, jeep rolls over to next destination, that is Paryang. It takes almost 7 hours to complete about 200 km distance. Traveling at an altitude of about 4,540 meters, the visitors avail full satisfaction of our endowments. The fifth and the longest driving day of the trip starts with full excitement. Visitors travel at an altitude of about 4,700 meters. During this journey, visitors get an advantage to view the first glimpse of holy Mount Kailas and Mansarovara. Completing 230 km journey from Paryang, the visitors finally reaches the destination of their trip, Mansarovara, the highest lake of fresh water. The night of that day's trip vanishes in the camp. After completing memorable morning bath and puja at Mansarovara, the trip leads to Darchen via jeep journey. Crossing through the Gurula Mandata mountains and Rakshasi lake. It takes 5 hours to cover near about 150 kilometers distance. The night is spent at Darchen at an altitude of about 4,700 meters. In the morning, after 8-kilometer drive by jeep to Arpuche and completing puja there, the parikrama around holy Mount Kailas begins. The visitors need to walk about 4 hours to cover about 12 kilometers distance up to Darapur. It is situated at an altitude of 4,900 meters. And it is the closest point to see the Mount Kailas during parikrama. The 8th day, hardest and holiest day of the trip, continues with Kailas Parikrama. It is the most important day of trip and is the toughest one too. It is also one of the exciting days walking along the beautiful rock cliffs and waterfalls. Yamasthal should be crossed to reach Sivasthal. Once the steps goes down, Parvati Sthal and Gaurikunda are on the way. After crossing all these holy spots, by the late afternoon, visitors will arrive at Jujulpuk. For a 22-kilometer trail, it takes almost 8 to 9 hours. That day's trip ends up with stay in the camp. On the 9th day, after spending 2.5 hours walk on foot, covering 8 km distance, the most holiest trip of pilgrimage completes. After the drive from Darchan